y'all, welcome back to All Things with Tips. So today I am doing an old school braided bob. I was so excited about this style, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Here I'm just showing all of the products that I used. I did the easy braid along with it was the pre-stretch, and I used what I had at home, so I used two different colors. Here you see me just going through my hair, showing you, if you've been watching my videos, you can see that my hair has grown out, and so I'm trying to continue to keep it growing. It started out shaved, and so this is what it is after maybe about probably about 5 months. So I've had a lot of good growth, and it's very thick, and I just need to maintain it. So just starting off with my parts, and I love to use a do-grow. It helps my hair grow and keeps it thick, especially with these protective styles. And then I went in with a little bit of that braided jam, and I'm just going in braiding it here. And just wanted to show you guys how I started off braiding it, and then I'm going to just kind of speed through it. So I hope that you guys enjoy. If you do enjoy it, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are new to my videos, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. I appreciate you guys so much, and hope that you all enjoy the video. Continue watching. Okay guys, and I just wanted to add that I decided not to do the box parting, because I wanted it to kind of just all flow together and not be spacey. It was also easier for me to part it since my hair is much shorter. So it was a lot easier for me to just do it this way, and I just did kind of like curve the parts as I was going through it. But this was so much easier than doing the box parting since my hair is so short and I'm doing it myself. So I just kind of did each section at a time, and as you can see throughout the video, as I finish the braids, I am sealing it at the end with knots, and I just tried to make sure that all the braids were even as I was sealing the knots. And I'm just continuing to go through my hair. This style actually took me a few days to do, as I was working and trying to do my hair at the same time. So you see me sitting down, getting up, all different positions and areas. But when I was up, this mirror, you may have seen it in my other videos, this 3-way mirror, it helped me out so much, especially once I started with continued with the back and on in with the sides. It was very much easier for me to be able to part it. I'll also put this in the description as well, under my Amazon affiliate link if you're interested in it. So I'll let you guys continue watching. Make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you throughout the video. Okay, y'all, so I finally made it to the last and final braid. Boy, I was so glad when I got done with this. It just took forever. But I knew I needed to do it because I did not want to have to do my hair, and I was about to go out of town the next week, and so I needed to do something to my hair so I wouldn't have to do anything to it. So just finishing up this last braid, and I'm going to show you guys how I go in and finish to seal the braids and cut the style. Okay, so now I'm going in and getting these into the style I wanted. I started using my lighter for my ends, but eventually I decided to use another technique because as I was burning my ends, I guess it was catching on to the product, and I don't know if it's on the video, but the fire actually started going up my braids. So I was like, this is a little bit too dangerous for me to be doing. So that's when I switched to, I remember seeing this in a video, and so I just switched to using my iron. One of the irons that I had, I did not use one of my good irons, and this right here goes up to 450, so it worked just as well, and I just melted that in and then I just clipped it off. So that was the best way for me to do it and safest way for me to do it. So as you can see, I'm just pulling these down to match the other ones. Even when I get to the side, I pull them back because I want it to kind of fall a little bit longer in the front. So you can see me doing that here. And just clipping the ends as I melt that hair. And it actually went by a little bit quicker by me doing this instead of burning those ends. Alright, and so now I'm just going through and getting all those extra hairs. And I just kind of like to twist it a little so they'll kind of pop out and I can see those a little bit more in order to clip them. And I just went throughout my whole head doing this. Make sure I get those little split ends at the top. Alright, so next I'm going in with the Shine and Jam Mousse. I did use this once before, and so I decided to use it again. Did like this product. I think I will continue using it. It did help to seal in the rest of those hairs and lay it down. I used this in my other video, the marula oil. I've been using it on my skin as well as my hair and scalp, and everybody that I've recommended it to, they have loved it as well. And I use my Dew Grow, and then I use that gel to just kind of help seal those ends. And I went back in with some more mousse, and then I just curled those ends with my fingers. I do recommend using the I think it's the Kanekalon hair if you want to keep that more curl in it. This hair did curl, but I think the Kanekalon would curl a little bit better. I'm just doing me some little baby hairs, nothing too extreme. And then just kind of trying to curl those ends with my fingers. And this is pretty much the final look. I really love this style, and I just kind of wore it in ponytails. I wore it down. I just wore it different ways, and you can see that the hair is just kind of flowing in together. So just showing you here how I did the little ponytail style, and different ways that I could wear it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much for your support. Make sure you go ahead and like the video and subscribe. Check out my other videos as well. And I will see you guys next time. You know what it is. Peace.